Short man charged with the murder of his stepson. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. 33-year-old Marco de Crest. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. 33-year-old Marco de Crest, otherwise called Shortman, a farmer of Balls District, Kitson Town, St. Catherine, has been charged with murder of his stepson, 24-year-old Charles Winter, following an incident at their home. Reports are that on Thursday, August 12, about 9 p.m., both men had an argument which developed into a fight. Reports are that Winter reportedly used a shovel to hit De Crest, after which it is alleged that De Crest used a knife to stab Winter in the chest. Winter was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The accused man later turned himself into the police, where he was given a caution statement and interview was conducted. He was subsequently charged. His court date will be finalized soon. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.